Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Tool Shop, and today Forge is heating up and we're going to be taking all 20 of these guys today. That's my goal, is to get all 20 of them. I want to get at least the troughs done, and little 5/8 fully here to start the troughs. I'm not sure. I'm going to be trying to work these guys under the power hammer at a nice hot temperature. I found that with the power hammer, especially this one here, is that you can't really do a lot of warm forging with it. It'll tend, like, the actual physical ram bounces on the steel if it's too cold. But aside from that, forge is now up to temperature. Let's pull out a billet and start working. One of the hammers forging the troughs in the power hammer, it just really wasn't going too nicely. I set up my dies in the press and I just want to see if that does anything a little bit better. Let's pull one of these out and give it a test. Alright, so I already kind of started the troughs on this, so let's see how this goes. So the first side went really nicely and smoothly, and the second side's definitely gonna need some more work. But all part of the fun. So I've heard of people doing this before, and I wanted to give it a test. So I've heard of a few people that actually take coal and they actually put it in the bottom of their propane forge. I took a break in between the first 10, and I'm about to start the 2.5 pounders for the troughs. And I figured, you know what? Let's put some in just to see if it'll help heat it up anymore, like a little bit. And I threw in a bunch of coal, and it's just freaking going. Like, it's calmed down a little bit, but it was just freaking pouring flames out of front and back, which is really cool. So, thought I'd share that with you. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe I know what time it is, looking at this very obvious watch. I believe it's hammer time. And this is the last official hammer. So all these now have rough troughs forged into them, which is amazing. There we go, all 20 of them. So you can see that these are really starting to take shape now. Probably going to be letting the forge cool down, especially because both my tanks are starting to freeze up. So I'm going to leave that for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below, hitting that red button with the bell notification. Give it a big thumbs up, comment what you thought down below. And like I said before, if you haven't seen my previous videos on this series, make sure to go check it out. Thank you for watching. Keep forging on. We'll see you tomorrow.